Ladies and gentlemen, as the world increasingly focuses on renewable energy, massive wind turbines, the icons of green technology, are becoming a key factor in shaping the future. But have you ever wondered how these colossal machines are created? From the smallest components to blades stretching dozens of meters, capable of bearing the weight of an entire planet's energy demands? Welcome back to Nebula Engineering, where we take you on a journey to uncover groundbreaking technologies and awe-inspiring manufacturing processes. Today, let's dive into the world of cutting-edge factories and witness the creation of these gigantic wind turbines from start to finish.
Preview.
The massive wind towers start with high-quality steel plates, rolled into cylinders up to 8 meters in diameter, and welded with precision at the factory. Due to their enormous size, they cannot be transported as a single piece by sea or on standard trucks. Instead, they are prefabricated in modular sections and shipped for on-site assembly. At the construction site, each section is carefully lifted into place and stacked with exceptional accuracy, creating a towering, sturdy structure. This process not only ensures efficiency, but also minimizes risks during transportation and assembly. Wind turbine towers are not just massive structures, they are marvels of engineering, elevating the turbine blades to an impressive height of over 30 meters above ground, where the wind is steadier and ideal for energy harvesting. But the real challenge lies in aligning each section of the tower during assembly. These colossal components, battling strong winds, must meet engineering tolerances of just a few millimeters, a true testament to modern technological precision. At the pinnacle of the tower lies the nacelle, often referred to as the brain of the entire operation. Packed with over 1,500 bespoke components, the nacelle houses the generator, drivetrain systems, inverters, and sometimes even a gearbox, alongside advanced monitoring, communication, and environmental maintenance systems. To ensure peak efficiency, the nacelle is mounted on the tower via a sophisticated yaw system, enabling the entire structure to rotate and face the wind, maximizing energy capture. This seamless integration of human ingenuity and cutting-edge technology transforms the power of the wind into clean energy, paving the way for a sustainable future. Ladies and gentlemen, the installation of a massive wind turbine nacelle, weighing over 800 tons, is a staggering technical challenge. But the true difficulty doesn't just lie in its enormous weight or strong winds. It's the relentless oscillation of the tower, battered by waves and currents from below. To overcome this, engineers rely on complex mathematical models and tuned mass dampers, advanced devices that synchronize vibrations to ensure precision within just a few millimeters. Once the nacelle is secured, the next challenge arises: installing the turbine blades, a task not for the faint of heart. Each blade measures over 100 meters in length, weighs up to 55 tons, and is designed to catch the wind. Lifting such a colossal structure to a height of 150 meters above the ocean demands flawless coordination of gigantic cranes, lifting cables, and safety systems. In high winds, the blades can sway dangerously, posing serious risks not only to the equipment, but also to the engineering teams on site. Furthermore, engineers must precisely align each blade to ensure smooth operation. The blades are limited to 3 per turbine to avoid resonance, a hazardous phenomenon that could cause intense vibrations, leading to severe wear and tear on the system. Despite these daunting dangers, modern technology and the bravery of engineering teams have turned these challenges into triumphs, harnessing the power of the wind to create clean energy for a sustainable future. Ladies and gentlemen, in this era of modern technology, groundbreaking innovations have made the installation of massive wind turbines faster, safer, and more efficient than ever. The Blade Dragon system is a prime example. This advanced lifting device securely holds turbine blades at various angles, providing unparalleled stability and flexibility compared to traditional methods. Additionally, the boom lock system has revolutionized the process by eliminating or minimizing lateral crane hook movements, keeping blades steady even under strong winds. These technologies not only accelerate installation, but also reduce the need for manpower, ensuring maximum safety in harsh working environments. Taking it further, companies like Nebula have developed pioneering solutions such as the WTA system. Mounted directly onto the turbine tower via temporary guide rails, the WTA can lift up to 250 tons and adjust its height to match the tower itself. This innovation breaks the limits of traditional cranes and minimizes environmental impact. Thanks to these technological advancements, modern wind farms can now be constructed faster and safer, paving the way for renewable energy to take us closer to a sustainable future. Ladies and gentlemen, modern wind turbines, with their massive blades towering over the horizon, are they unsightly blemishes disrupting the natural landscape, or majestic monuments symbolizing human ingenuity and groundbreaking progress? What do you think about the growing presence of these structures around the world? Is this a worthwhile trade-off for clean energy and a sustainable future? And are you curious about how these colossal turbines are designed and installed, overcoming incredible engineering challenges?